Part 2, Section 2 is from Poetry Short Answers. இந்த ஷார்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, 2 வரிகளை பாடல்ல இருந்து கொடுத்து அந்த 2 வரியில இருந்து தான் கேள்வி கேட்டிருப்பாங்க. நீங்க அந்த பாடல் வரியோட பொருளை நீங்களா புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சரை ஓனா உங்களால எழுத முடியும். அப்படி இல்லை, எனக்கு ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியல அப்படின்ற ஸ்லோ லேர்னர்ஸாக இருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த லைனை, அதாவது கொஷின்ல இருக்கிற அந்த கீவேர்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிற அந்த போயம் லைனை நீங்கள் ஒரு ப்ரோஸ் டைப்பில் ஒரு சென்டென்ஸாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி எழுதி வைங்க. யூ வில் கெட் half marks, something like that. So this is easy tip for you to get some minimum marks. ஆனால் பொதுவான கேள்விகள் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, whom does, like I refer to அப்படின்னா poet அப்படின்னு ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறது, அந்த மாதிரி ஷார்ட்கட்ஸும் நீங்கள் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். அதை தாண்டி 7 போயமையும் நீங்க தரவா மீனிங் புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா எந்த ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாலும் உங்களால இதுக்கு ஈஸியா ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும். I'm going to give you some examples from each of the poems now. Check.
Part 2, Section 2 is of poem appreciation, question number 19 to 22. This is question number 19 to 22, poem appreciation. You will have 4 questions and 2 marks. And here are some tips for you. They'll give you the poem lines. Read the lines given carefully and find the answer line out of the poem line. And you convert the same line as answer. It will be poetic and you're going to write it in your own sentence. Say for example, your question will be like this. Read the following sets of poetic lines and answer any 3 of the following. And let us learn to walk with a smile and a song. Matter if things do sometimes go wrong. These are the 2 lines given and the question would be, what does the poet want everyone to learn? What should we do when things go wrong? These are the questions, and I could say wrong is in the question and this is the same word which is in the poem line, so that you should decide that this is what the answer for this. And when you go with the question word learn, you can find the same word here, so we should decide that this is the line which is here, answer, and you can comprehend this and write it in your own sentence. If it is not possible, உங்களால எழுத முடியல அப்படின்னா இந்த வரியவே நீங்க இந்த பாட்டுக்கு ஆன்சரா எழுதி வைக்கலாம், so that you can get half a mark, ஒரு அரை மார்க் கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு இருக்கு. So we are going to look into the example, like in the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future wails, but with a whole unhappy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. And from this we have answers like, what does the poet mean by the phrase in the dim past? So the answer is, the poet said that we should overcome from our past things without fear. So நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன், உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் எழுத தெரியல அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இந்த ஸ்லோ லேர்னரா இருக்கீங்கன்னா இந்த கேள்வி வார்த்தையே எடுத்துருங்க, வாட் டஸ் அப்படின்றத எடுத்துருங்க. The poet mean by the phrase in the dim past, அதை அப்படியே எழுதிருங்க, கேள்விக்குறி எடுத்துருங்க. ஸோ இப்போ இந்த டிம் பாஸ்ட் அப்படின்ற வேர்டு எங்க இருக்குன்றத அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருக்க பாருங்க, இதுல இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த லைன் 2 லைனையுமே இதை நீங்க எழுதிட்டு அதை தொடர்ந்து எழுதிடுங்க. ஸோ இங்க எஸ்எல்னு கொடுத்துருக்கிறது ஸ்லோ லேர்னருக்கானது. அந்த 2 லைனுமே எடுத்து நான் தொடர்ந்து எழுதியிருக்கேன். இந்த பொயட்டிக்கா இல்லாம தொடர்ச்சியா எழுதிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா இது ஒரு ஆன்சராக இருக்கிறதுக்கு ஓரளவுக்கு உங்களால முடிஞ்சு எழுதுறதுக்கான வழிதான் இது. பட் திஸ் இஸ் நாட் த ரைட் வே. எனிவே ஃபார் ஸ்லோ லேர்னர்ஸ் யூ கேன் ஃபாலோ திஸ். ஓகே, ஹவு கேன் ஒன் டிராவல் ஆன் வித் சியர் அப்படின்றதுக்கு, we prefer to live our life with a whole and happy heart which cheerfully travels from youth to old age is the right answer. And for slow learners I have given these 2 lines. உங்களுக்கு எதுவுமே தெரியலையா, முதல் கேள்விக்கு முதல் வரியும் ரெண்டாவது கேள்விக்கு ரெண்டாவது வரி, 2 வரி இருந்தா 4 வரி இருந்தா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேள்விக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 வரி அடுத்த 2 வரி. This is a shortcut method for you. So here follows the exercise. She is a lioness, don't mess with her. She'll not spare you if you are a prankster. How is woman described here is a question, and who is a prankster? So you can get answer from this. இது உங்களுக்கானது. Not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Who does he refer to? And mention the season when he could not see a flower or a leaf on a tree. So whenever the question asks like who does he refer அல்லது she refer னு வந்தாலே he refers to the poet அப்படின்றது common answer ஏற்கனவே நம்ம சொல்லி கொடுப்போம். அதை நீங்க follow பண்ணிக்கலாம். So we'll check one by one poem examples. Look at the poem. One is life. I think you like this image. I have carefully selected images for you as a visual treat. So we'll check the first one. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the question that follows. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. Who does the word me refer to? The word me refers to the poet. What kind of life does the poet want to lead? The poet wants to lead a joyful life. Not hurrying to nor turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear. Why do you think the poet is not in a hurry? The poet is not in a hurry because he neither wants to hurry nor move away from his goal. What should one not mourn for? No one should mourn to the things if the things were vanished. So let the way wind up the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy. New friendship, high adventure and a crown. How is the way of life? The way of life goes up or down the hill, rough and smooth. How should be the journey of life? The journey of life should be joyful. What did the poet seek as a boy? The poet seek as a boy new friendship, high adventure and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. What kind of quest does the poet seek here? The poet's heart will remain courageous and pursue his desires. What is the poet's hope? The poet's hope is every turn in his life's journey will be the best. In the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future wails, but with a whole unhappy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. Identify the rhyming words of the given lines. So the last words, look at these last words and you will find the rhyming pair. Generally the last letter will be, sometimes look at here, E is silent, so L and L comes here. Fear, cheer, whole, toll. And the second poem is The Grumble Family. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the questions below. There is a family nobody likes to meet. They live, it is said, on Complaining Street. Where does the family live? The family lives in a Complaining Street. Why do you think the street is named as Complaining Street? The street is named as Complaining Street because nobody is satisfied with one's circumstances. They growl at that and they growl at this. Whatever comes, there is something amiss. What does the word growl mean here? Growl means make a low guttural sound in the throat. Why do they find everything amiss? They found everything not quite right because they won't bother whatever happens. Nothing goes right with the folks you meet down on that glooming street. What is the opinion about the folks you meet down the streets? In my opinion, nothing is right down the street when I met my folks. What does the word gloomy mean here? Gloomy means to appear depressing or frightening. The worst thing is that if anyone stays among them too long, he will learn their ways. What is the worst thing that can happen if anyone stays with them? If anyone stays with them, they too learn their ways. What are the ways of the grumble family? The ways of the grumble family are dissatisfaction, Ari, growl, dark and dreadful confusion. And so it were wisest to keep our feet from wandering into complaining street. What is the wisest thing that the poet suggests? The poet suggests to keep away our feet from complaining street is the wisest thing. What does the phrase to keep our feet from wandering refer to? To keep our feet from wandering refers to travel from place to place, especially on foot. Let us learn to walk with a smile and a song, no matter if things do sometimes go wrong. What does the poet expect everyone to learn? The poet expects everyone to learn to walk with a smile and a song. What should we do when things go wrong sometimes? We should learn to walk with a smile and a song even the things go wrong. Poem 3 is I'm Every Woman. Read the lines and answer the questions. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. What does the word summer mean here? Summer refers to hopelessness in life. How does she take life? She takes life optimistically. What does she mean by spring will come again? She means that the period of hopelessness world end, new and fresh life world unfold. Strong is she in her faith and belief. Persistence is the key to everything, says she. What is she strong about? She is strong faith in herself. Her self-belief is very high. How does she deal with the adversities in life? She deals with the adversities in life persistently without giving up. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Is she complaining about the problems of life? No, she is not complaining about the problems of life. Pick out the words that show her grit. Strong, faith, firm, belief are the words which shows. The poem 4th is The Ant and the Cricket. Based on your understanding of the poem, read the following lines and answer the questions given below. A silly young cricket accustomed to sing through the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring. What was the routine of the cricket? Singing during the summer and the spring season was the routine of the cricket. Name the seasons mentioned here. Summer and spring are the seasons mentioned here. Began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Who does he refer to? He refers to cricket. Why was his cupboard empty? His cupboard was empty because he had not saved and stored any food for the winter. Not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground. What couldn't he found on the ground? The cricket could not find even a piece of bread on the ground. Was the ground covered with snow? The ground was covered with snow because it was winter. At last by starvation and famine, made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. What made the cricket bold? Starvation and famine made the cricket bold. Why did the cricket drip and tremble? Since the cricket had to stay in the snow, he became wet. He trembled due to severe cold. Poem 5 is The Secret of the Machines. And now, if you will set us to our tasks, we will serve you 420 hours a day. Who does the pronoun you refer to here? You refers to man. Whose task is referred to as our task here? Our task refers to functioning of the machine. Do the machines serve us 24 hours a day? Yes, machines serve us 24 hours a day. And poem 6, No Men Are In. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon. Is earth like this in which we all shall lie? What is found beneath all uniforms? Human body is found beneath all uniforms. What is same for every one of us? The human body is same for every one of us. Where are we all going to lie finally? We are all going to lie finally on the same land where we live. They too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvests, by war's long winter starved. What is common for all of us? The sun, air and water are common for all of us. How are we fed? We are fed by the peaceful harvest that we get from our lands. Mention the seasons referred here. Winter is the season referred here. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read, a labor not different from our own. Who does there refers to? There refers to our enemies. What does the poet mean by lines we read? Our dreams and aspiration in the army are same as our enemies. What does not differ? Our duty as soldiers does not differ. Let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Who tells us to hate our brothers? The commanders in the army tell us to hate our brothers. What happens when we hate our brothers? When we hate our brothers, we dispossess ourselves. What do we do to ourselves? We show our disloyalty and affect our own lives. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no country strange. What outrages the innocence? Wars and battles outrage the innocence. Who are not foreign? No man on this earth is foreign. What is not strange? No countries on this earth are strange. Poem 7, The House on the Elm Tree. Read the given lines and answer the questions below. It sat alone. What happened there is still unknown today. It is a very mysterious place, and inside you can tell it has a ton of space, but at the same time it is bare to the bone. What does it refers to? It refers to the house on the Elm Street. Pick out the line that indicates the size of the house, and inside you can tell it has a ton of space. I drive past the house almost every day. The house seems to be a bit brighter on this warm summer day in May. It plays with your mind. To whom does I refer to? I refers to the poet. Pick out the alliterated words in the second line. Be bit brighter, so that you come to know that if it is of alliterated words, then the word starting with consonant letters, that is same consonant letters. See, it starts with B, B, B. Be bit brighter. It never grows leaves, not in the winter, spring, summer or fall. It just sits there, never getting small or ever growing tall. What does it refer to? It refers to the tree beside the house. In what way the tree is a mystery? Leaves never grow on the tree in all seasons. It either gets small nor grows tall. Rumors are constantly being made, and each day the house just begins to fade. What happened inside that house? Does the house remain the same every day? No, the house does not remain the same every day. How does the poet consider the house to be a mystery? The poet considers the house to be a mystery because it begins to fade day by day. What happened inside that house? I really don't know. I guess it will always be a mystery. Does the poet know what happened in the house? No, the poet does not know what happened in the house. What is the mystery about the house? Something was happening inside the house. It is the mystery about the house. And that's the end of all the 7 poems. Important questions. You can also read the questions from your textbook.